Good morning, all of you. Today we're going to study about this chapter, On the Face of It. There are two protagonists, Derry and Mr. Lamb. Let me tell you something about Derry. He's a 14-year-old boy whose face is burnt by acid. And obviously when a face is burnt, he's looking ugly. And because he looks ugly, he is obviously withdrawn. He is withdrawn. He does not like people. He is filled with hatred for self. And children, self-hatred is very dangerous when you start hating yourself. This opinion about the world and himself changes when he comes in contact with Mr. Lamb. But first of all, let me tell you about Mr. Lamb. He's an old man, age is not given, probably 70 or 75, and he has a thin leg as the original one blew off in the war. Then we come to, but he's not shy about his handicap. He has got 5 qualities. Remember, calm, patient, kind, sympathetic and understanding. These qualities help him to live such a long life. These qualities help him when people make fun of him. Maybe obviously when he had a problem in the leg, he may be limping and walking. And so that people may be making fun of that. But he was calm. He did not agitate or react or retreat to the people. Then he was patient. He patiently listened to Derrick's woes. Then he was kind, sympathetic and very understanding. Understanding in the sense he knew that what Derry was undergoing because he himself had undergone that situation, those circumstances. And he was a nature lover. He had no curtains on door or windows because he believed that curtains cut off people from outside and inside. And so he had no curtains. He could see outside, the people outside could see him. As we can say, he had transparency. So here, another quality, he keeps his gates open for everyone. Anyone could come, enjoy the garden, enjoy the nature and then go away. So there was no restriction as such. But in spite of having such good qualities, he was a victim of alienation. People did not like him very much. They wanted to be away from him. Now when Derry comes in contact with Mr. Lamb, his opinion about the world, his opinion about himself changes. And he realizes that the world will make fun of you, but you've got to live your life. You live only once. And so you must live your life up to the full. And that is what he learns from Lamb. The children used to make fun of Lamb. They used to call him Lamy Lamb, but that did not bother him. In fact, he prepared jelly and toffees from crab apples and distributed it among the children. So children, when you show love, the other person will also show his affection towards you. This is what is important. Now, Mr. Lamb wanted to pluck crab apples, and so he says that he is going to pluck apples, and if Derry wanted, he could help him. So Derry runs home to his mother to take permission also and inform her also that he'll be with Mr. Lamb. But Derry's mother has got a negative attitude about, opinion about Mr. Lamb, and so she says, she totally refuses. No, you're not going. But there he defies her and runs back to Mr. Lamb's garden. And by the time he enters, he reaches where Mr. Lamb was, he's shocked to see that the ladder had slipped and Mr. Lamb had fallen and is dead. So he just has nothing to do except cry because his one and only friend had died. So here we learn that when a person has got a certain handicap, he is himself very conscious. The world makes him more conscious. So you should get over your handicap and do something which the world will notice. And the actual pain, the theme of the lesson is that actual pain caused by a physical impairment is often less than the feeling of alienation. You sit in a room for some time, after that you start feeling uncomfortable. No, because we want company. Man is a social animal. We all need company. And so this, which an individual experiences. And this lesson also shows us that how we should overcome our handicap. That's all for today. If you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you.